Hey everyone, it's Sharon Jayy back again for Subtl Beauty. Rihanna's performance at this year's Super Bowl was so iconic. We were waiting for her to deliver and she definitely did, and then some more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate her stunning makeup look from her Super Bowl performance. So let's start with the base. Today, I'm going to keep it simple and just use my moisturizer and really focusing under my eyes. I focus under my eyes to help to keep from creasing. If you want your makeup to stay in place all day, definitely use your favorite long-lasting primer. Next, I'm going to clean my eyebrows up. I'm just using an eyebrow gel to keep them in place. And then going to fill them in just a little bit. And now I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows underneath. Now I'm going to go in with a thin layer of foundation. Using my Fenty Beauty foundation. And now I'm just making sure everything is blended and even. Now I'm going to use my stack to go in with some concealer. Just going to warm that up with my fingers and apply under my eyes. I'm going to add some to my chin and to my forehead. I'm going to use a brush to blend this concealer out. I'm going to add one more layer of concealer under my eyes. And then blend it out again with my brush. Now let's move on to bronzer. Going to be using it in the shade Espresso. Just going to use my regular bronzer brush and add some to my cheeks like that. Also a little bit on my forehead. I like using one of these to blend my bronzer out. Sometimes I like using a brush. It just depends on the day. Now I'm going to contour my nose a little bit. Bringing it up into my eyebrow just for some depth. Adding just a tiny bit of concealer under my cheekbones and blending that out. Gonna blend that out with the brush just to make sure it's completely blended. Now I'm gonna use my Shine Control powder under my eyes and wherever I put concealer. And I'm gonna use my puff for that. So I'm just gonna get a whole bunch of Shine Control powder and apply that under my eyes and on the sides of my nose. Under my cheekbones, my chin and forehead. Perfect. I'm gonna use some blush in the shade Daytrip at Dawn. I'm gonna use my Stack BFF brush to apply that. Make sure not to do too much blush. Just a good natural amount, like that. I totally forgot to do eyes first, like always. So let's start doing eyes. I'm going to use my bronzer as a base on my lids. Just going to put it on my whole lid. Like that. And her eye look is not very dramatic. It's simple. It has some shimmer, bronzer, and a little bit of liner. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this eyeshadow duo in shade Sunset. I'm going to use the non-shimmer side. This shadow has a hint of red. And in her makeup look, she has a hint of red on her lids. Just like that, just a little bit. And the trick that I use to make sure that my shadow is blended out at the top, I get a beauty blender and raise my eyes and just blend it out like that. She has some shimmer on just her lid. So I'm going to use the shimmer from the Eyeshadow Duo Jelly and just apply that to my lids. That's perfect. I'm just going to apply that to where my crease first starts to form. Gonna make sure everything is blended with my other brush. She has on liner and lashes, but I don't want to spray my face before my liner and lashes. I prefer to do that after. So let's just finish up my makeup a little bit and then we can move forward to finishing the eyes. So I'm going to use my highlighter in the shade Champagne on the tip of my nose and the bridge. Blend that out with my finger. Do it a little bit in the inner corners. Under my brow. At my brow bone. At my brow bone. I'm going to do a little bit on my chin and on my forehead. Make sure it's all blended out. Also do a tiny bit on my cheekbones. So now I'm done with the face makeup. While I wait for this to dry, I'm gonna go get my lashes. Rihanna's lashes were pretty dramatic and big, so I got some big lashes and I'm going to apply that. Lashes are on, but we need to add some eyeliner. Adding some eyeliner to the front. She wasn't wearing any dramatic eyeliner, so I just did a little wing on the side, and that's it. And I'm just gonna clean up the eyeliner a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner to my waterline. Moving on to lips, she has a beautiful red lip look. So I'll be using my Lip and Cheek in Riveting Red for the lips. So I'm gonna start lining it first. Red can get super messy, so make sure you're cleaning that up. This Riveting Red Lip and Cheek is so stunning. And as you can see, this is very pigmented. I found this jacket in my closet and it's kind of like what she's wearing. And this is the final look. Wow. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create Rihanna's Super Bowl performance look. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more celebrity-inspired looks and see you in the next Subtle Beauty video. Bye!